Now let's go ahead and test some of our Pythagorean identities. Let's start with the sine squared x plus cos squared x. Of course, you know sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. Let's test that with our calculator here. So I'm going to press the AC key to clear it up. So we have sine, you press alpha x, close bracket, introduce squared, plus cos alpha, close bracket key to display x, close the bracket, and then press the exponent 2. Right, this is the expression keyed in. Alright, so now we're going to use the CALC key, which is for substitution. Alright, so when I press the CALC key or the calculate key, I can key in any angle of my choice to test this identity. Let's start with, let's say 7, and then press equal to. What do you have? 1. Let's test 79, and then press equal to. What do we have? We still have 1. And then let's press 95. What do you have? You still have 1. Let's even press 1000. Okay, let's say there's an angle which is, let's say 10,000 rather. Then press equal to. What do you still have? 1. So this is a simple test of the Pythagorean, the basic and the easiest and the commonest and then the simplest Pythagorean identity. Okay, now there are others as well. For instance, you know 1 plus the cotangent squared of x is equal to the cosecant squared of x. Alright, which is simply the same as the cosecant squared of x minus the cotangent squared of x is also equal to 1. Let's try that. Of course, our calculator does not have the cosecant squared of x, so what do? We rather use the sine, but remember our exponent, we have to introduce the power or the exponent negative 2. Alright, so we are going to type in sine alpha x, close bracket, you press the x to the power box here and then key in negative 2. Move the cursor forward and then press minus cotangent squared of x. We don't have that, so you simply press tan, introduce the x, close bracket, x to the power box key, and then key in the negative 2. Alright, now let's use the CALC key again, or the calculate key again, to test this identity. Alright, let's press calculate and then press 45. What do you have? 1. And then 78. Let me bring it back. Then press calculate, 89, and then press equal to. What do you have? 1. So these identities can be tested. You can use your calculator to test all the Pythagorean identities as shown in this particular discussion. Thank you so much for your time, and I would like to give a special shout out to India. A lot of students in India have been watching my videos, and I'm so happy. I hope to one day come to India